bumped into some friends from Indonesia. You are? Susanna.
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, very good looking single boy. Too young for you guys. Don't call me.
I am Ellie.
And Ellie. And you're from Indonesia, right?
Yeah, I'm from
Wish anybody, a happy Christmas in any language you want.
Saya ngomong bahasa Indonesia sama teman, tapi kalau di sini bahasa Inggris sama bahasa Melayu.
Anything you want.
Anything. Thank you. And Selamat Hari Natal and Merry Christmas, guys. Bye-bye.
English, we say Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Everyone that's watching us right now, I wish you a very beloved Christmas.
You sound like an American boy.
Selamat Hari Natal dan Tahun Baru, everyone. Yes.
Very nice. Mahalo, everybody.
Wish everyone Merry Christmas.
You want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas?
Yeah, wish you a Merry Christmas. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Sam.
And a Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, people. This is Angela, surrounded by white musk flowers. Angela, you want to wish everybody a happy Christmas?
Hi, Merry Christmas to everyone. 大家圣诞节快乐.
Your brother is Christian, yeah?
Wei Hao, my brother. I hope I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Say mahalo.
Hi. What is it?
Thank you.
祝大家圣诞节快乐！希望你们每一天都可以开开心心。Happy Merry Christmas, everyone! Hope to see you guys again.
Selamat Hari Natal semuanya dan Selamat Hari Tahun Baru juga.
You have to speak a little louder.
Selamat Hari Natal dan Tahun Baru untuk semuanya.
Very nice.
Happy Merry Christmas, everyone! So please come support Joy.
And you get to buy her
Dinner.
dinner. What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
And Olivia is above 18.
Yes.
So Malaysian government will leave them alone. But I don't know what she will say.
And her parents would say, yeah, they will definitely say no.
I'm kidding. Olivia,
Yeah.
happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
I'm only teasing you.
Yeah, I know.
Follow her on social media. She's actually adorable. You get to buy her dinner. Yeah? Yeah. Your name is?
Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Yes.
Cheryl, happy Christmas back
Happy
to you.
Christmas.
She's the marketing, she's very good, and she's got a very cheery personality, so she's selling the product better than the founder.
I'm very lucky.
When you go back today, ask for a raise.
Hey, raise please. I cannot hear.
You have it on video. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Joy to the world.
Please come and support us. We're here to bring you joy.
Very nice. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Mahalo, everybody.